Hello friends, welcome to the channel Read and Lead with RV. In today's video I am presenting you with 50 questions of the geography topic for the upcoming UPSC CSE examinations. Hope you will like the video. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe it and let's get started. First question, which of the following statement is are correct? Statement 1, Earth's crust is the thinnest of all the major layer of the earth. Second, the crust is thicker on the continent than on the ocean floor. Third, the oceanic crust mainly consists of the manganese and iron. So you have to find the answer. So the correct statement is that Earth's crust is the thinnest of all the major layer of the earth and the crust is thicker on the continent than on the oceanic floor. Second question, hot spots within the earth help produce geothermal energy. What are these hot spots? Options are there in front of you. Correct answer to this question is region in crust where hot molten rocks are trapped are the hot spots. Next question, which of the following statements regarding monsoon rainfall are correct? The options in front of you, three statements, you can read it. Correct answer to this question is northeast monsoon in India is almost confined to the southern peninsula, and Maldives, Sri Lanka and Myanmar also record rainfall during the northeast monsoon. Next question, which of the below statement is are correct? Almost all the world's deserts are confined within the 30 to 45 degree parallels of latitude north and south of the equator. Deserts lie in the trade wind belt on the western parts of the continent where trade winds are offshore. The correct answer to this question is the second statement, which is only correct. Let's move to the next question. Warm moist summer, cool dry winter, great annual temperature range, rainfall throughout the year are the characteristic feature of which type of climate? Options are hot wet equatorial climate, B option is Sudan climate, C option is British type climate and D option is China type climate. So friends, the correct answer to this question is China type climate. Next question. Most of the world's deserts are located in the western margin of continents in the subtropics. This is because, please read the two statements and tell which one is the correct one. So friends, the statement, the tropical easterly winds become dry by the time when they reach the western margin of the continent, is the correct answer to this question. Next question, which of the following factors affect the climate of a place? Of relief of a place, altitude, distance from sea, circulation of ocean currents, and the wind flow. You have to tell which all options are correct in these. So friends, all the five options which are given here is correct. That is the relief of a place, altitude, distance from sea, circulation of ocean currents, and the wind flow. Next question. Conditions favorable for delta formation are. Please read the statements and find the correct answer. Then I will tell you. So friend, the correct answer to this question is no strong current running at right angle to the river mouth. Second statement, pressure of continental shelf, and the fourth statement, the coast should be sheltered preferably without tides. Let's move to the next question. Which of the following statements regarding the Dharwar system of rock are correct? Statements are it is the oldest system of rocks in India. Second statement is it contains metamorphic sedimentary rock, and the third statement is it hosts gold mines. So friends, the correct answer to this question are the statement second and the statement third. Please have a look over it. Let's move to the next question. With reference to aura or the northern lights, which of the below statements are correct? Statements are auras are the glowing lights at high altitude. Statement 2 is auras can be normally observed in stratosphere. And third option is change in the atmosphere temperature causes auras or the northern lights. So friends, the answer to this question is the first statement, that is auras are the glowing lights at high altitude. The other two statements are not correct. Next question friends, which of the following statement regarding white dwarf is are correct? Statements are white dwarfs can tell us about the age of the universe. Second option is the heaviest stars at the end of their lives turn into white dwarfs. Friend, the correct answer to this question is the first statement, that is white dwarfs can tell us about the age of the universe. Hope you are liking the video. Please don't forget to subscribe at the end. In the 12th question in front of you, which of these drainage patterns is formed when streams flow in different directions from a central peak or dome-like structure? There are four options in front of you. Please identify the correct one. So friend, option B, radial is the correct answer for this. Let's move to the next question. Which of the following inhibit the development of cyclones in the North Indian Ocean? There are three statements in front of you. Please identify which of these three statements are correct based on the options. So friend, the correct answer to this question is that all the three statements, that is weak La Nina conditions along the equatorial Pacific Ocean, influence of the Madden-Julian oscillation and vertical wind shear. All the three statements are correct for the development of the cyclones in the North Indian Ocean. Next question. Which one of the following places is located at the confluence of Alaknanda and Bhagirathi? Options are Vishnuprayag, B option Devprayag, third is Rudraprayag, and D options are Karnaprayag. So friends, the correct answer is Devprayag, option B. Next question. Which of the following regions of the world is as seismically active? Options are Alpine, Himalayan belt, Mid-Atlantic ridge, and the Central African. Out of these three, which all? So friend, the correct answer to this question is the statement 1 and 2, both are correct. Next question, which of the below statements regarding sea floor is are correct? Statements are volcanic eruptions are common along the mid-oceanic ridge. Second option is the age of the rocks decreases as one moves away from the crest. And third option is the ocean crust rocks are much younger than the continental rocks. So friends, the correct statements are the statement 1 and 2. Next question. Which of the below statements regarding thermosphere is are correct? Please have a look over the statements. So friends, the statement 2 and 3, that is radio waves transmitted from the earth are reflected back to the earth by this layer. And third statement, the space shuttle and the International Space Station both orbit earth within the thermosphere. These two statements are correct. 18th question in front of you, which of the following conditions are good for fisheries production and catch? Statements are coastal upwelling of the nutrient-rich colder water. Second statement is abundance of phytoplankton. Third statement, meeting of warm and cold currents. And fourth statement is shallow continental shelves in cold regions. So friend, all the four statements are correct. Next question. The speed of tsunami waves in ocean largely depends on. Options are ocean depth, distance from mid-oceanic ridge. Next options distance from the source of the wave, and option D is density of water. So friend, the correct answer is ocean depth. Next question. Which of the following are the conditions for the emergence of a tropical cyclone is are correct? Statements are large and continuous supply of warm and moist air. Second statement is strong Coriolis force. Third statement is strong vertical winds. And fourth statement is unstable condition through the troposphere. So friend, the correct statements are statement 1, 2 and 4th. Except a strong vertical wind, all the options are statements are correct. Next question. Which of the below statements is are correct regarding asafoetida? Friends, the statement asafoetida or hing is a perennial plant that stores most of its nutrient inside its deep fleshy roots. And second statement, it thrives in dry and cold desert conditions. These two statements are correct. Next question. Which of the below statement is are correct regarding asteroids? Statements are asteroids are the rocky objects that orbit the sun. Second statement, all the asteroids are found in between Mars and Jupiter. And third statement, some of the near Earth asteroids are potentially hazardous. So friend, the statement first and statement third are the correct statements. Next statement. Which of the below statement is are correct regarding the ring of fire? There are three statements for this question. Friends, hope you like this video, and even don't forget to provide the comments in the comment section, like how much you know and how much you have scored in this. So friend, all the three statements whichever is given for the ring of fire are correct. That is, the ring of the fire is the direct result of the plate tectonic or the movement on the collision of the lithospheric plate. Second statement, about 90% of the world's earthquake occur along the ring of fire. And third statement, the region is also prone to high volcanism. All the three are correct. Next question, which of the following statement best describe the doldrums? There are four options in front of you. Please have a look over these options. So friend, the correct answer to question is the statement B. That is the belt of calm region in equatorial region where prevailing trade winds to meet. Next question, which of the below statement is correct regarding the fold mountains? Fold mountains are created when large areas are broken and displaced vertically. And second statement is they are least likely to have conical peaks. So both the statements are not correct for the fold mountains. Next question, which of the below statements is are correct? First, the expansion created by the Big Bang continues even to the present day. And second statement is after the Big Bang the universe became highly opaque and temperature started rising till the atmosphere was formed. So friend, the correct statement out of these two is the second one only. Next question, which of the below statement is are correct regarding the temperate rainforests? Statements are temperate rainforests are found mostly in coastal mountainous areas. Second statement is cooler temperature and a more stable climate slow down decomposition, allowing more material to accumulate. And third statement, temperate rainforests are the most biological diverse terrestrial ecosystem in the world. So friend, the statement first and the second one are the correct. The third statement is not correct. Next question. Which of the below statements is are correct? Statement first is in India, oilseeds are largely grown under rain-fed conditions. Second option is soybean and groundnut contribute to more than 80% of the total oilseed production in India. Third statement is Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra and Rajasthan are the major soybean growing states. Friend, the correct answer to this question is the statement first and the statement third are the correct one. Statement 2 is not correct. Next question. Which of the following lake is not part of Great Lakes region of North America? So, friends, option B, Great Salve Lake is the correct answer to this question. Now let's move to the 30th question of today. Which of the following rivers flow through Kaziranga National Park? Its options are Brahmaputra, Deeplu, Dharla, Mora Deeplu and Rangapo. So friends, out of these five rivers, Brahmaputra, Deeplu and the Mora Deeplu flow in the Kaziranga National Park. Next question. Most rainforests are structured in different layers due to which of the following factors? Factors are water, sunlight and air circulation. So friend, all of these factors are the correct factor to this question. Next question. Which of the below statement regarding foreshocks and earthquake swarm is are correct? Please have a look over the four statements given here. So friend, all the four statement whatever is given is correct for the foreshock and the earthquake swarm. Let's move to the next question. Most volcanoes and earthquakes in the world are located at. Options are the interjunction of the high mountain stretches along the continental belt. Option B is within the plates. Option C is plate margins and option D is littoral zones of the major oceans. So friend, option C, plate margins is the correct answer to this question. Next question, 34th. Which of the below statements regarding earthquake and volcano is are correct? Statements are earthquake normally occurs along with the volcanoes. Second statement is volcanoes occurs only where ocean crust collides with continental crust. And statement 3 is volcanoes are one of the best source of sulfur. So friend, the statement first and the statement 3 are the correct answer to this question. Now moving to the next question. The thickness of the troposphere is greater at the equator rather than at the poles because of. There are two statements for this. Please have a look over the statements. So friend, the statement that is rotation of the earth pushes the atmosphere near equator to the greater heights, and the statement convection currents leading to the thermal expansion of the atmosphere at the equator are the correct answer to this question. Next question, which of the below statement is are correct regarding Amazon rainforest? Statements are the area covered by the Amazon rainforest is larger than Australia. Second statement, the Andes mountain is located to the east of the Amazon rainforest. And statement 3, the entire Amazon rainforest area is located between equator and Tropic of Capricorn. So friend, the correct statement out of these all three statements is the first one. The area covered by Amazon rainforest is larger than Australia. Next question. The Amazon basin is located in which of the following countries? Five countries are listed here. Please identify the correct one among them. So friend, all the five countries that is listed here are correct one. So next question. Which of the below statements is are correct regarding the Amazon rainforests? Statements are rainforests are home to more than half of the world's plant and animal species. Second statement is rainforests thrive on every continent on earth. And third statement is the largest rainforest on earth surround the surround the Amazon River and the Congo River. Friend, the correct answer to this question is the statement 1 and the statement 3rd. Second statement is not correct. Next question, which is the 39th one. The below statements refer to statement here, the soil develops on the crystalline igneous rock in areas of low rainfall. Second statement is they are generally poor in nitrogen, phosphorus and humus. And third option, they are fertile when fine grained and they are poor in fertile when they are coarse grained. So all these three statements refer to which type of soil, you have to tell that. So friend, all the three statements refer to the soil which is a red and the yellow soil. Next question. Which of the following best describes the marine upwelling? There are four options for you. The four options have the four statements. Please have a look over the statement before I answer. So friend, the statement C, that is the rise of the deep cold water towards the surface of the ocean, is the correct answer to this question. Next question, which of the below statement is are correct regarding the guar cultivation? There are three statements in front of you. So friend, the statement 2 and the statement 3 are the correct answer for the guar cultivation. Next question, which of the below statement is are correct? Statements are Port Blair is closer to Kolkata than it is to Chennai. And second option, the Deccan Passage separates the Middle Andaman from the South Andaman. So friend, the correct answer to this question is the Port Blair is closer to Kolkata than is to Chennai. Next question. Zealandia is a newly discovered continent is located in which of the following oceanic region? Options are Southern Ocean, option B North Indian Ocean, option C North Atlantic Ocean and option D Southwest Pacific Ocean. So friend, the correct answer to this question is Southwest Pacific Ocean. Next question. The countries bordering Kyrgyzstan are, the four countries are listed here. So friend, the countries bordering Kyrgyzstan are all except the third option, that is the Afghanistan. Next question. The drainage pattern of an area is the outcome of which of the following factors? Factors are geological time period, second is nature of the rocks, third factor is structure of rocks, fourth is topography, and fifth is the amount of the water flowing and periodicity of the flow. So friend, all the five options or all the five factors are correct. Next question, which of the following process helps in concentration of the mineral on earth? First is hydrothermal deposit, second is weathering, and third is water erosion. So all the three factors are responsible for the concentration of mineral on earth. Next question. Assam shares its border with which among the following states or countries? Options are Sikkim, China, Tripura, Meghalaya or Bhutan. So friend, the correct answer to this question is Tripura, Meghalaya and Bhutan. Next question. Arrange this geological region from the east to west. The geological regions are Gulf of Aden, then Laccadive Sea, third is Gulf of Thailand, and fourth is South China Sea. So friends, the order from the east to west is, it's just in the reverse 4-3-2-1. That is South China Sea, then Gulf of Thailand, then Laccadive Sea, and then Gulf of Aden. So the second last question of the day is, which of the following factor is responsible for the change in the regular direction of the ocean currents in the Indian Ocean? The statements are: Indian Ocean is generally warmer. Option B is Indian Ocean has monsoon drift. Option C is Indian Ocean is a landlocked ocean. And option D is Indian Ocean has greater variations in salinity. So friend, the correct answer to this question is Indian Ocean has monsoon drift. So the last question of the day, the drainage pattern of an area is the outcome of which of the following factors? Factors are geological time period, second is nature of rocks, third is structure of rock, fourth is topography, and fifth is amount of water flowing and periodicity of the flow. So friends, all the five factors are responsible for the drainage pattern of an area. So hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel for the latest updates regarding the new questions that would be coming, which would be very helpful for your upcoming UPSC CSE examination. So all the best to you and thanks for watching.